Now, turning the clay over is important. It's important that we don't warp it as we're working it, and I've just turned it over with my hand underneath the material. Just a little bit more rolling out to do to actually get my template size that I want. This is the size I need. I'm nearly there. So like I said, we're going to use the ribs, get the clay nice and strong, and the slab is going to be prepared with ribbing the clay both ways. And now I'm going to be ribbing with the metal rib both ways. This has to be done both sides of the clay. And I just want to make sure it's nice and smooth, ready for a impression of my texture. I'm going to be putting the texture on before I cut my template. This makes it possible to adjust the size of my template, and also it just stops it from warping, making sure you've got your texture on first. Okay, so I'm nearly happy with that. It's smoothing out nicely. And now I'm going to be putting the texture on. This texture I'm using is very geometrical. You can use any type of texture you want, from bubble wrap to hessian. And all you need to do is roll the clay with the rolling pin and press the texture into the clay. I usually roll a few times, both different directions. And what's going to happen is I can just pick up the corner and just see if it's strong enough. I'll just do a little bit more. Get a nice strong texture. Okay, I've got that texture ready. Now, using the template, this is going to be the size of your plate. And this metal tool, the potter's needle, is going to be used in a perpendicular manner. So